Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the updated process of sharing Telegram group links easily and efficiently. Whether you're looking to invite friends, family, or new members to your community, sharing the link can be done in just a few simple steps using your Android device. So let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from the Play Store. Once you have it open, navigate to the group you want to share. Next, tap on the group name located at the top of the screen. This action will take you to the group info page, where you can find various details about the group. Once you're on the group info page, look for the option that displays the group link under Info. This is where the magic happens. Sharing your group link is just a tap away. Now, tap on the group link. You will see an option at the bottom that says Copy Link. Clicking on this will save the link to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can choose to send the link directly through Telegram or share it via other messaging platforms. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share Telegram group links on your Android device. Make sure to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.